Hello, welcome to Recipes by Janki. Today I am going to share very special and my favorite peda recipe. Sometimes people do make with the milk powder and it is very smooth in texture, but this is like a crumbly texture, like danedar texture. So for that we are going to make with very minimal ingredients and it is very easy and quick. So here I have taken 3/4 cup of regular milk, 3/4 cup of milk powder, half a cup of sugar, 1 cup of paneer, and you can use homemade paneer and just crumble it. Here I have used 3 tablespoons of butter, unsalted butter. You can use 3 tablespoons of ghee instead, and some elaichi powder and some pistachio for garnishing. So let's start the recipe. For that you need to use the non-stick pan, so that's the way it won't stick to the pan. So here in the hot pan I have added 3 tablespoons of butter. Now once it's get melted, I will add milk, now adding a paneer, now add milk powder. Now give it a good mix. Make sure there is no lumps. Keep stirring. We need to keep stirring until we see like a dough-like a texture. So make sure there is no lumps and keep scraping off the sides. After 6 to 7 minutes it will come like this. We have to set the temperature on a medium heat, so keep stirring. After around 10 minutes it's coming together, so we probably need a couple more minutes. Now we can see it's been like 15 minutes and it's coming together. It's like a dough. So now we will transfer it to the plate and let it cool down. We don't want to completely cool down, we want to like a little bit warm. Now I'm adding sugar, that is half cup of sugar. I will add little by little, and also the cardamom powder. Here I have taken around 1 teaspoon. Now give it a good mix. Now you can see it's come to it mixed very well. Now I will add left sugar. You can adjust the sweetness according to your taste. Now you can see like if it's binding in your hand, then it's good, perfect. Now roll them in a bowl, and you can see it's ready in very quick and very easy. It just took me around 15 to 20 minutes. 15 minutes for cooking, that's the main procedure, otherwise it's nothing. Now I will roll all the balls and garnish with the pistachio. You can see this is looking so beautiful and delicious. So do try my recipe, and thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching. Thank you.